Hey guys, today we're going to be wrapping this Ford Transit van here. We're going to go in a little bit more detail on how we do it. So the first thing we do when we get a van in here like this is we take a look at our design, and we're going to take apart any elements that might get in the way of the wrap. So we're going to take off the door handles, tail lights, any emblems, anything like that. Down below here there was some molding that we took off that the wrap's going to go over. So when we put it back on, it's going to have a nice clean look to it. So stick around. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Stop here and just give you a couple of tips. If there's anything you guys don't know how to take off, just unsure about, Google's always your friend. There's thousands of YouTube videos out there on how to take off anything from door handles to windshield wipers. Google's your friend there. Also, anytime you're taking off the door handles, make sure you roll down at least one window. We'll do the driver's side, passenger side window, make sure that's rolled down. That way you can get back in the vehicle.